The money flows in fast when you take aligned action. The money comes in very quickly by doing that. I was stuck in a job that drained my energy and left me unfulfilled. But then I made the decision to follow my true passion and become a writer. The moment I devoted myself to meaningful work I loved, abundance began flowing quickly into my life. Within months, my book sales started taking off. Royalty checks kept getting bigger. In a year, my income tripled. But it wasn't about the money. It was about sharing my message with the world. In 2 years, my book hit #1 on the bestseller lists. Movie deals followed. In 5 years, my passion project earned me over $490,000. But what mattered most was touching people's lives with my writing. When you align your work with your soul's purpose, prosperity can't help but seek you out. The money came in very quickly for me by doing the work I loved. That's the power of following your heart and doing what fulfills you. The money comes in very quickly by doing that. I never imagined that following my passion could lead to such financial success. But the same is possible for you. When you devote yourself to work that ignites your soul, the universe responds. The money will flow in as you begin living your purpose. Maybe you've been stuck in an unfulfilling job, or you've been afraid to take the leap into doing what you love. But it's never too late to realign with your true calling. The rewards will follow. Your dreams are telling you what you're meant to do. Listen to your heart. Take steps each day to turn your passion into your work. Don't worry about the money yet. Just focus on the joy of creating. Abundance will chase after you. Imagine the freedom of earning a livelihood from work you love. This new life is waiting for you. Have faith you can make it happen. The world needs your unique talents. Follow your bliss, and prosperity will follow you. The money came quickly for me when I embraced my purpose. Your purpose is seeking you out too. Now is the time to answer its call. Discover what you're meant to do, and the financial reward comes in very quickly by doing that. Manifesting wealth begins in your mind. Visualizing and repeating positive affirmations reprograms your beliefs to attract prosperity. See and feel yourself already abundantly wealthy. Imagine checks for large sums arriving in your mailbox. Envision your dream house and lifestyle. Feel gratitude for all your financial blessings. I am open and ready to receive the infinite abundance that is available to me. I know that prosperity effortlessly flows into my life every day. With each inspired action I take, I manifest more wealth. My finances continue to grow higher and higher each day as I attract more money into my life. I am a money magnet, drawing wealth to me from expected sources and unexpected sources alike. Abundance and riches surround me on all sides and enrich my life immensely. I intentionally choose thoughts and mindsets that make me feel prosperous, successful, and wealthy. I am now financially free to live my most fulfilling, purpose-driven life. Infinite prosperity is streaming into my reality right now in this very moment. I graciously allow ever-increasing abundance to flow to me with ease. My soul-aligned work generates limitless wealth for me in miraculous ways. Wealth far beyond my wildest dreams is coming to me now. I have the power within me to manifest money and success through the law of attraction. The caring universe supports me fully in being abundantly wealthy in body, mind, and spirit. Constant streams of wealth perpetually flow into my life. I boldly invest my time, energy, and money into my dreams and goals, and I reap the rich rewards. My income far exceeds my expenditures, and my bank accounts continue to overflow. I am fully open and receptive to receiving massive amounts of money from expected and unexpected sources. Complete financial freedom and security are mine. I claim this truth. I manifest all the wealth I desire through the power of my intentions, thoughts, imagination, and actions. Prosperity and abundance overflows in my reality. Money flows to me effortlessly in expected ways and wonderfully unexpected ways. I choose to embody prosperity consciousness in every fiber of my being. My divinely inspired actions create wealth, success, and abundance. I feel deep gratitude for the unlimited good now flowing to me. I have more than enough money to live a luxurious, prosperous life. Wealth in abundance is my natural state of being. I am divinely guided to discover lucrative new opportunities that bring me fortune. My finances improve, increase, and expand every single day. Unlimited wealth endlessly flows into my life all day and night. I manifest wonderful new streams of income from diverse sources. Abundance surrounds me and fills my life. Wealth is powerfully drawn to me. I know I am worthy of immense financial success. My income far exceeds my expenses, and I have plenty left over to save and invest. I allow wealth in abundance to flow freely through me into my life. I am wide open to receiving massive amounts of money coming to me from many new sources. Wealth comes to me easily and effortlessly every day. I intentionally choose to think prosperity thoughts that uplift and empower me. I graciously and gratefully accept all the money generously flowing into my life now. My money mindset attracts an endless abundance of wealth to me. I manifest miraculous wealth through the power of my mind. I am now financially wealthy, safe, secure, and free. I joyfully accept unexpected new sources of income, gifts, and windfalls. My soul-aligned work is hugely financially rewarding beyond my expectations. Money comes to me in new and unexpected ways every day. I manifest wealth through inspired, purposeful action. My income far exceeds even my wildest dreams. I manifest more money than I could ever possibly spend in my lifetime. Constant streams of wealth perpetually flow into my reality all day and night. I choose with my free will to receive unlimited riches. My income keeps growing and expanding by leaps and bounds. Prosperity and abundance comes to me easily and effortlessly. I align my thoughts, intentions, and actions with wealth, riches, and success. My net worth is skyrocketing daily. Money is flowing to me now in huge amounts of abundance. I continually manifest wonderful new streams of income from diverse and unexpected sources. My life truly overflows with wealth in abundance. I allow prosperity consciousness to perfectly guide me in creating new flows of money. Wealth far beyond my wildest dreams is manifesting now in my life through me. I am open and receptive to unexpected financial gifts, windfalls, and blessings of abundance. The floodgates of wealth have opened for me. Every day I manifest more wealth than I could have imagined possible. There are no limits on the prosperity I can experience. I know wealth is my true nature. Abundance is my divine right. I was born to be rich in every way. I boldly claim my wealth now by divine birthright. The universe wants me to be prosperous. Divine intelligence guides me to new opportunities for wealth. I attract riches like a magnet. Prosperity follows me wherever I go. I think prosperously and speak prosperity into my life. My actions generate immense wealth. My work fulfills me and rewards me lavishly. I prosper others and am prospered abundantly in return. Money comes easily to me. I am wealthy, successful, and financially secure. Abundance overflows in my life. I let go of all limits on what I can achieve. I expand my vision of my wealthy future. Anything I can dream, I can manifest. I focus on abundance and feel gratitude for my riches. My positive mindset attracts unlimited wealth. I choose to see opportunity everywhere. There are always open doors to greater prosperity. I take bold action and reap huge rewards. I move from success to greater success. Others are uplifted by my financial victory. True wealth comes from living my purpose. I am aligned with my flow of prosperity. The universe supports my dreams with infinite abundance. All I have dreamed of is now manifesting. I accept wealth, success, and luxury as my natural state of being. My potential for prosperity is infinite. I am manifesting wealth beyond my wildest imaginings. I generously share my financial gifts with others. My prosperity makes the world better. Abundance overflows in my life for my highest good and the greater good. I am wealthy, prosperous, and successful in every way. Financial freedom is waiting for you when you align your work with your soul's purpose. Abundance seeks you out when you follow your passion. Prosperity rushes into your life when you take inspired action daily. You have the power to manifest wealth beyond your wildest dreams. Commit today to living your purpose. Devote yourself to meaningful work you love. Align your thoughts, words, and actions with success and abundance. Then get ready to receive the limitless wealth headed your way. The money will come in quickly when you start doing what fulfills you deeply. Follow your bliss, and the financial rewards will follow. Prosperity awaits you on your true path. Have faith in yourself and take the first steps towards your dreams. Armed with passion and belief, you can manifest the abundant life you deserve. Let us know in the comments what you would do if money was no object. Share your biggest dream and how you plan to make it a reality. Encourage someone else who needs inspiration. Abundance is waiting for all of us. Now is the time to go after the wealth and success you desire. Believe in yourself, and prosperity will believe in you too. The money comes in very quickly when you dedicate yourself to meaningful work aligned with your soul's purpose.